Hi guys, welcome back to Ingridjoyaromas. Today I got this from Amazon, and this is 1 kilogram or 1 pound. I think it's 1 pound, and I just want to show you what it looked like. I'm going to be putting some information here so you can always see these information and how they use and what they use in. So as you can see, this is yellow, and you have some that's white as well. These beeswax, they're yellow and some are white, so you can use these beeswax, and there's so much different use for these waxes here. As you can see, as I go, I'm putting up some information, so take a look at it. And you can use these to make your foundation. You can use it to make creams. You can use it to make balms. Skincare benefit is a must for beeswax. It's just so much use. As you can see, this one here, it's like small pellets. Beeswax is an awesome ingredients to put in your face cream, body cream, body butter, lip balms. You can also use this to make candles. It's soft and gentle. It's not sticky at all, and it won't harm your skin for sure. It will give your skin a good moisture. Just add essential oils. Beeswax is or it protects your skin from the environment and from damage. So yeah, when it comes to this beeswax, it is yellow. As you can see here, it has the same property as the white ones. It can cover the skin with a thin protection and barriers. It's used in creams and gel. Beeswax protect the skin from environmental and pollution, dust, smog, cigarette smoke. Just cover the skin. Beeswax hydrates your skin as well. Read with me, guys, as you go along. I'm putting up some information here. Beeswax is also great for the lip, especially at winter time. Summertime days are as as great as well because it's dry as well, so the sun will dry out your lips. So this beeswax will bind your skin and help it to heal. There is so much to tell you about beeswax. It's also good for acne. It can relieve itchiness. People with sensitive skin need to look no further than using beeswax, and it is known as the ability to smooth the skin and relieve itchiness. People with eczema should look into beeswax as well. I mean, for me, and I make a lot of creams for my face. I use shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, and my favorite essential oils. And most time I will use rose because rose is also good for the face. So yeah, take a look as I go and read some of these information I am putting up in the meantime. I think you have 11 beeswax benefit for skin. You can also use beeswax with shea butter, tea tree oil, and rose hip oil, and your favorite essential oils to make a cream for your face. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.